It is May 6th, Western Michigan. Out here carp fishing. And I got one. The water's so high that they can run. You got to keep them out of the grass. It's right there. The water's up 2-3 feet from last year, and it's way up into the woods. The fish are up in there spawning. I'm just after little wallflowers out here cruising around that are eating. And I got one. But find one aggressive fish that's a little bit hungry, you can get them to go. There are some slobs in here. There's some 20-30 pound fish in here today. Got them right in the corner of the mouth. I used to put them up on the beach, but there ain't no beach no more. It's underwater. Hate to lug a net around. It's a pain in the butt. See, there's one, 2, 3, 4 fish following this fish. Yeah, he's bigger than I thought. He's more like 7 or 8 pounds. Can't even get my hand around him. And all you do is push them up against your waders and try to grab them. There. See if I can hold him up. Yeah, he's a good 8 pounds anyways. See you later, Bubba. There's a little red fly. Chrome bead eyes, red, little orange, so they can see it. They love them.